Hi, English learners. Today, I'm going to share a motivational story that will inspire you to never give up. It's the story of a young man named Jack, who faced many challenges but learned the power of perseverance. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack who lived in a small village. Jack dreamed of becoming an artist. He loved to draw and paint, but there was a problem: no one believed in him. Whenever Jack showed his paintings to others, they would laugh and say, "You'll never make it as an artist. It's impossible." At first, Jack felt discouraged. He thought, maybe they're right. Maybe I'll never succeed. But deep down, he knew that giving up wasn't an option. He loved painting too much. So, every day, Jack worked hard. He practiced painting from sunrise to sunset. Even when he made mistakes, he kept going. He studied other great artists and learned new techniques, improving little by little. One day, Jack heard about an art competition in the city. The winner would receive a big prize and a chance to showcase their work to the world. Jack knew this was his opportunity. Excited but nervous, Jack worked even harder. He stayed up late at night, perfecting his painting. The voices of doubt in his head grew louder. "You're not good enough," they said. But Jack pushed those thoughts away. Finally, the day came. Jack submitted his painting, knowing he had given it his all. The judges looked at all the artwork and made their decision. A week later, the results were announced. Jack couldn't believe his ears. He had won first place. His painting was chosen as the best, and he was invited to display his work at a prestigious gallery. Jack's heart was filled with pride, but more than anything, he realized something important. It wasn't just his talent that got him there, it was his perseverance, his refusal to give up, even when others didn't believe in him. As people admired his artwork at the gallery, Jack knew he had proven something: that hard work, passion, and the will to keep going are stronger than any obstacle. Jack's story teaches us that no dream is impossible if you're willing to work for it. No matter how many people doubt you or how many challenges you face, keep pushing forward. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of persistence and dedication. Remember, don't give up on your dreams. Like and subscribe for more motivational stories and tips to improve your English.